hiding banking apps on Android devices could be very challenging. This video is a step-by-step guide on how you can do in simple steps. All you need to do is download Microsoft Launcher from Play Store. It's totally free. Now follow the prompt and start the page to allow access. Now your phone prompts you to switch the Microsoft Launcher as a current program. This changes how your home screen looks like. Now swipe up to see your app page. From the app page, tap the three dot icon on the upper right corner and click on select hidden apps. Now this brings you to the page where your hidden apps are stored when you have them, and they're only accessible via passcode. But for now, let's tap on hide apps. Now tap on each app that you want to hide on your home screen and app page, then tap done in the upper right corner. To edit this list, follow the same steps I've told you that will help you to unhide those apps. Nova Launcher is also a good launcher for app, but it's not free totally. But what I told you is a Microsoft Launcher, which is almost free, and you can use it however long you want. So this was how you can hide your apps, especially banking apps, to save your bank account. I'll see you in the next one.